Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you guys a way to make $1,000 in keeping with day on YouTube without recording any videos, so we're not going to speak approximately creative comments stealing a person else's content material. We are going to display them in the fine new approach that is right now the gold mine. So that is virtually a gold mine that you should not leave out, so make sure to watch this video to cease, because you have got in no way seen something like this before. So I'm going to reveal you many examples of the channels which can be doing it. I'm going to show you guys step by using step how to do it, and you do not really need to report any films you don't want to do something. So that is something this is going to be actually surely crazy, men. So ensure to watch this video until end. And also, if you are new to the channel, make certain to press that subscribe button, due to the fact we upload everyday motion pictures on this channel with sparkling new methods on the way to make money online. So you don't want to omit that out, guys. So ensure to press that subscribe button. So guys, allows leap straight into this motion picture. So what is this video approximately, so you can see if this video is virtually for you guys. So this video is about it isn't approximately innovative feedback, as I said. So essentially innovative remarks is taking a person else's video and just enhancing it and making it your own model of the video, and from time to time you can get copyright strikes. I've saw more than one instances that a person were given copyright strikes using innovative feedback. So you don't want to go together with this approach to this issue is you will create your personal specific content, so no one can reproduction your content material. You are going to have your personal specific content. 13 is I am going to show you guys how you may grow your YouTube channel with this method. So how you may get views, how you may get a lot of subscribers, and greater important is, and I'm going to expose you a way to monetize the movies. So how you can make cash with these sort of films, and the most essential part, guys, this is going to be the primary factor that I am going to expose guys in this video, with examples of the channels which are doing the same approach. So they may be doing the same method and they may be making lots of cash with this, and that is genuinely a gold mine that not a number of people are using proper now. However, within the future, this is going to be a few crazy things, that is crazy way to make cash online proper now. So this is clean new technique. So man, you need to see greater movies like this, and in case you want to show you my YouTube channel that I have made in this niche, everything that I'm going to talk approximately on this video, ensure to press that like button and say within the feedback election which you need to see my YouTube channel, and I'm going to make a second video on what number of subscribers I have were given, and I am going to should update you men what's going on with that channel. So I have around 1,000 subscribers and 70,000 perspectives. So if you are interested in that, men, make certain to leave a remark down underneath and like at the video. So I am going to reveal you men now examples of the channels, due to the fact we need to speak approximately the first aspect, and this is examples of the channels and the content that you're going to create. So here you can see proper here, small YouTube channel, only 18,000 subscribers, and this channel was, I suppose, 2 days in the past, not anything. So that you can see, and sooner or later I think this video were given 600,000 views in some day. So I am going to reveal you men examples, and also how this video got that many views in the future, so that you can see not anything clearly special here. They have got just created comparison among 3 big YouTube channels. So here you may see what is happening in this video. So who have reached first 20 million subscribers, and how their subscriber increase go from 2012 to 2019. So from 0 to 12 and 20 million subscribers who reached it first, and they did it. So guys, this is something that fanatics pass loopy, so that you're concentrated on the lovers of the brands or YouTubers or something like that due to the fact those unfastened channels mixed they've 60 million subscribers, so consider 60 million human beings. They need to see their high-quality YouTuber, how they've grown or and what came about with their channel, so who reached first 20 million subscribers and greater. So you're truly focused on the fanatics of the brains or YouTubers, so I am going to talk about that later so that you can see the channel. You can see this channel has got 600,000 views in one day from this method, guys. So this is a few loopy quantities of perspectives and permits. Say if this video has got 600 perspectives times, shall we embrace, they have got turned 3 in keeping with 1,000 views they have got made in that day, $1,800, so $1,800 in someday from this method. That is in reality crazy, and that is going to be, as I stated, the exceptional satisfactory way to make cash online without developing movies. So here you may see some other example men. So that is same component compression among biggest YouTube channels. Again, this is small YouTube channel, so nothing honestly loopy. 18,000 subscribers they probable got here out of that subscribers via this approach. So precisely the same component I am also going to expose you men a higher manner to make those kind of films. So right here you could see any other video. This one has 17 million subscribers, so consider how many pinnacle 15 top to top 15 most subscribed YouTube channels mixed how many subscribers they've. So lots of humans are going to click on this video. They are going to see their pleasant quality and preferred YouTuber. How do you rank in this listing? So how the paintings in this place of first-class pinnacle 10 maximum subscribed YouTube channels, so that you can see 17 million subscribers. Let's see how a good deal they have earned 17 and 600,000 times free. So this meal video alone should probably earn $52,000, and that is truly nearly $53,000. So this video was possibly made in few hours, maybe in a single hour, and that is in reality numerous cash with that quantity of work. And simply believe what number of subscribers which have got, which might be going to observe the next video that you are going to post. So if you may see this channel has 270,000 subscribers. Next example is at the identical channel, so you can see we are speaking approximately great brands or nice YouTubers due to the fact you need to engage with the subscribers the emblems or subscribers of the YouTubers, or now not you haven't any logo, you probably have 0 subscribers or some 1,000 subscribers. So that is the way you develop your YouTube channel. This is how you get some loopy quantities of perspectives. This is basically outsourcing different channels to your gain. So you are going to show the lovers of the brands and lovers of the subscribers how their preferred manufacturers and favorite channels paintings, so that you can see any other example. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm also going to expose you guys how you can create this due to the fact this is something this is definitely easy to create. So guys, let's speak approximately now the way to do it. So first factor which you need to do, I recognize I am no longer positive the way to pronounce those websites, so sign on for perhaps Flourish Studio. I don't even recognize how to pronounce it. So right here you may see, write it down, write it in Google, and when you see a web page like this, and you may create your free account. So once more, you do not need to pay for anything. You're going to see a web page like this one to Society M. Sign on for this software program and essentially click on create. So now men scroll. You may see there are lots and lots of distinct graphs that you can use for on your movies. So simply to show you guys some examples, you may see that is a graph that you can use. I do not truly like this one, however let's examine some different ones. Those that we are going to use for our method is this one. So there are bar charts that we are able to use bar chart trays, so we can use photographs on left. I do not in reality like this one. I truly like this first one because you want to position the emblem of the agency or logo or YouTuber right here, and you need to make it seem like they are racing with distinctive YouTubers, in case you placed it within the 2 one, you may see they have got just a straight position, and I think this first one is lots better. So right here you could see, if you click here, you could see the race of the international location within the global, so they probable which one has the most people of the US or something like that. I don't even realize what's this about, so essentially from I do not even know, I suppose. It's far one tower from 1900, so basically to these days what number of human beings they have got in their country. So you can use this template to trade and put here your stuff which you want to look. So permits, say we're going to go on, so simply to depart you meant appear how this looks like. So this race is largely what I've shown you men in those popular YouTube films. So how you may alternate this team performed input as an instance your emblem right here. So click on statistics right here, and also you may put right here the name of the YouTuber, or you could genuinely delete all this and create a brand new one so that you can, for instance, positioned right here the call of the YouTuber. Here you may see you could position the brand of your favorite YouTubers, just pass on their YouTube channel. For instance, let's move on my YouTube channel, then we are going to take my logo for example, so we are going to paste right here our emblem. You can see you will input here your numbers, so that is how you are going to create your own race. So right here can input your distinct numbers, and that you need to pair. So shall we say, and let's say we are going to win at the ends just to you men. So let's see how this looks like. So I feel like that I am going to win at the C's, and you'll see my brand right here, and that I do not need to do it for each forever YouTuber, due to the fact that is going to make the effort. This is not something that you're going to create in little while, so that you can see my logo proper here, and that is truly the non-random number that I have put. So if you're looking to position top 10 subscribers or something like, which you have all the records at the internet on Social Blade or something like that, so it's miles actually easy to create your own model of top 10 race or something like that. You can additionally do, as I stated, with brands. You don't need to actually do it with best YouTubers. There are loads of humans which might be fans of various manufacturers, so that you can absolutely use them as clickbait for those sort of motion pictures. So this is something that works 100, and he hasn't made lots of money, guys. So if you go your YouTube channel and start taking benefit of this method, and you get enough views, you can earn 1,000 greenbacks easily in step with day. So I'm seeking to scale this approach up, and I'm going to update you guys in case you need to simply make sure to press that like button. This is going to notify me that you need to see step with the aid of step video on how many subscribers are got, what kind of content material that I'm putting on my channel that has 1,000 subscribers, 70,000 views. So in case you want to look that channel and the whole lot, approximately it am going to make a video approximately it. I am going to expose you guys which channel I'm talking about, and you may see him additionally going to show you guys how tons cash I have made with that channel. So once you make the video, upload it on YouTube, and 13 is when you publish it on YouTube, you want to encompass top manufacturers, the tire title. So if you are attempting to make a video approximately subscribers, as in this video, you can see this guy has included all 3 subscribers which can be in this video. So you're looking to use them as clickbait on your video, and you're not going to genuinely easy bait it. You're using it for the fanatics to click on the video and notice who received the race. And additionally, humans love to talk about in the remark selection. These form of movies has quite a few comments, and also human beings must share with buddies and circle of relatives those sort of movies that are probable also inquisitive about that subscribers or brands, or they need to expose that they our favorite YouTuber gained the race, or they want to proportionate that the favorite brand is the quality inside the world. So these type of videos get a variety of shares, loads of a lot of likes, and numerous perspectives. I have to say, so when you attain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join up for AdSense and monetize your films with advertisements, so I have surely reached 1,000 subscribers and I didn't. I failed to truly signed up for AdSense. I'm going to do it later these days, so I am. If you need to see that video, if I were given authority for AdSense, if I got how an awful lot cash he made, make sure to press ethic once more that like button in this video and leave a comment down under so that you're probably going to earn from $2 to $3 in step with 1,000 views of those kind of films, so you cannot truly anticipate to make like on a few bigger channels, which can be like niche channels. You can virtually anticipate to make $10, $15 consistent with 1,000 perspectives, due to the fact that is something that is now not that super for advertisers. In order, that is why you will learn to 3 greenbacks in keeping with 1,000 views. However, the exceptional aspect is you'll get heaps and heaps of perspectives from these techniques. So 1 million views per day is not something that you cannot acquire. So let's assume 1 million views in keeping with day, you're going to earn from 1,000 to 3,000 greenbacks in keeping with day. That is lots of money just from AdSense, men. So that might be it for trendy video, men. If you need to see more films like this, ensure to press that like button in case you need to see my YouTube path wherein I educate you guys how you could make a whole lot of cash from a small YouTube channel, and the way to develop your YouTube channel, a way to emblem your YouTube channel. You can test out my YouTube course. The hyperlink can be in description. Thanks, men, for looking. See you soon and bye.